Okay, I got my throttle body and IAC reinstalled. Everything hooked back up. Put coolant in it. It's actually a pretty good idle. But if I put it in gear, that'll drop down to about 750 to 500, in between there somewhere. As you can see, when I had my AC on, it wasn't really rattling all that much. Usually that shakes the whole car apart, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. This is after a cold start. Maybe once it warms up, you can see the steering wheel shaking. It doesn't really help that my hand is kind of shaking along with it. So let's see, I'll turn the AC off. And idle. Let's see. AC on. AC off. Fans off. Fans on. AC on. Now I'm going to drop it in gear. Now it's in gear. Fan off. AC off. AC on, fan on. I'll rev it a little bit. Don't pay attention to this. Was my stuff rattling in there. Oh, that is annoying though. This is in gear. I got a foot on the brake. It's an automatic. I'll put it in park. AC off. Fans off. AC on. Fan on 1. Fan on 2. Fan on 3. Fan on 4. Off. Then I'll go back to fan on 4. Off. So I think there's something going on with the AC. Either that, blower motor, I really don't know. It's kind of funky chicken to diagnose. So let's go take a look at the engine sound. Okay, here's the engine. It's got a little bit of a different sound to it now. Not a whole bunch of knocking noise like it was. I can hear a knock down there, but I think that has something to do with the fan belt. Or not a fan belt, alternator belt. No, that's definitely an engine knock. Get the throttle body. Ah, shit. Shit. Well, it's quieter except for the engine knock. Get rid of one problem, another one pops up. Oh, that's just not even funny. Okay, that's getting kind of loud. Coolant clamp, coolant hose.